What is up, my YouTube friends? Me and Dale are Trackside. Welcome to another episode of Questions from the Truck Reminder video. How this works is you guys ask your questions, model railroad related, woodworking related, in the comments below. And I try to get your answers on this coming Sunday's show, which will be July 12th, I think. Yeah, man. Boom, already. 2 weeks into July. It's crazy. So Saturday, I'm going to be down at Baltimore Streetcar Museum working on the snow sweeper. Hopefully, we'll be able to wrap up the outside of it and I can start making windows. I have 16 window frames to make for that thing. So hopefully I get that done so I can start that project. So yesterday was 4th of July. Today's Sunday. So like what I've been doing lately is getting ahead of myself with videos, posting them up and doing them on schedules so that they come out. So I'm not like doing it throughout the week, and I just try to at least do it once a week and get videos set up and load them up and let YouTube do its thing. So it's Sunday. I hope you guys all had a great 4th of July, and hope you enjoyed it with some friends. I know I did. Me and my buddy Bill, yesterday, Saturday, we went Wilmington Western's first day back with Steam. We went and chased that. They had one trip, and it was a long trip all the way to the end of the line to Hockessin, Delaware. And after that, we were so close to Strasburg. It's only 25 miles away from Strasburg. We went over to Strasburg and caught some steam there too on Independence Day. It was pretty busy. They had a big train, I think 10 cars and a caboose. Yeah. And it was a good day there too. So I caught a little steam action. That's going to be right after this. Just little snippets. I took more photos than video. And I post my photos up on my Facebook group. Go check it out. And I post them up on others. Wilmer's Facebook group and Darren's B&H. And maybe I'll post them up on Crooked River and Eastern too. And hey, if you guys don't mind me posting my photos on those on your group, let me know, and I'll post them. I don't want to do it without asking you. So that's it, man. Let me know what you think about the whistle on number 58 in the comments below too. I'm interested. Hey, Delaware Rail fan, I got a question for you. Do you watch my videos to see the answers to your questions? Let me know, man. I want to hear if you do. As always, I thank you all. Be blessed, be well, and I'll see you sometime during the week, and see you in the live streams. See it!